I am on a mission to try to find the best investing platforms. I'm currently reviewing several of the most popular investing platforms right now. And this video is all about Coinbase. I do believe everybody should have some of their money in crypto assets. Why? The fact is, at the time of recording this video, the crypto market in 2020 so far this year is up 83%, and Bitcoin is up 50%. This makes them one of the best performers so far this year. Better than the stock market, better than property, better than gold and silver. I think you get my point. So we just need a safe and secure place to buy our crypto assets. Enter Coinbase. Having bought and sold crypto in a number of different places over the last several years, I'm going to share with you the good points, but also what the company and other YouTube reviewers are probably not telling you as well. As always, if you find anything in this video useful, be sure to click that like button. That would be much appreciated, and every like does help. So is Coinbase the best place to buy crypto assets? Let's find out. Okay, here is what we've got coming up. We're going to look, firstly, define what the ideal crypto exchange would look like. Then we can measure it against it. We'll then take a snapshot look at Coinbase. I'll give you a demonstration of the actual website and the account from the back end, so you can see what it looks like from the inside. I'll then do a transaction and I'll show you how easy it is to buy some Bitcoin. We'll then look at a summary and see how Coinbase measures up. And then I'll also show you how you can get some free Bitcoin if you wanted to try out Coinbase. Quick disclaimer.
This video is for education purposes only. You should seek investment advice from a registered professional before making any investment decision. This video is not responsible for any investment actions taken by its viewers.
So what does an ideal crypto exchange look like? Well, I've put together some criteria and it would look something like this. It would give you a great range of crypto assets. So there's about 6,000 different cryptos now, but the vast majority of the money is only in the top 20. So you're pretty safe with the top 20, and also that really reduces your risk. Safe and secure. So obviously when we're buying and holding crypto, one of the biggest priorities is that it's safe and secure. Fees. So with any financial product, fees are always something to keep a close eye on. The lower, the better. The user experience, how easy is it to register an account, to buy, to sell, to hold? Customer service. So obviously if you do have any issues, how easy is it to get someone to respond to you and fix things up as quick as possible? And lastly, all the best platforms will have a refer a friend program where when you refer your friends, you and your friend get some additional bonuses, as we all like free stuff, right? So here's a snapshot of Coinbase. So it's actually one of the first big exchanges to have launched. It launched way back now in 2012. There's probably about over 300 different exchanges in the world now, and Coinbase, based on transaction volume, sits in at number 2, so it's one of the biggest in the world. They have over 35 million customers. They've got 7 billion in assets under management, so basically 7 billion of other people's money that they're looking after. It's supported now in over 100 countries, and they offer 29 different crypto assets. So let's give you a walkthrough of Coinbase from the front end and the back end. So we'll start on the front end of the site. So this is the Coinbase website, and they're pretty much telling you this is where you buy and sell cryptocurrency. Coinbase is the easiest place to buy, sell, and manage a cryptocurrency portfolio. So you can see they're showing some of the top cryptos. I'm going to show you this actually in the back end where you can earn $121 worth of crypto. This is actually a lot easier than you think. It can take you a few minutes, but I'll show you that in a second. You can manage a portfolio, set up recurring buys. They've got some vault protection, which I'll go into, and their app is just as easy to use as their actual primary website, which is good. Their biggest thing is that they're saying they're the most trusted cryptocurrency platform. And some of the key things that you want to look at is the secure storage. We'll look at that in a second. How much are you protected by insurance? That's another key thing which we'll look at in a second. So let's dig into a couple of these because it's important. First of all, storage. So Coinbase used to just keep everything on their exchange, but obviously this is quite risky. So what they do now is 98% of your crypto assets will be stored offline. So that's quite important. So what they'll do, they'll encrypt it and then they put it onto USB drives and paper backups. So this is pretty much as safe as it gets. You can put it onto your own USB drives. This is known as a hard wallet, and I'll put a link in the description to one of the best ones right now. But the fact that Coinbase does this is as secure as you can get. And quickly just covering insurance, because with a lot of investing, you always want to make sure everything's insured the best place it can be. Coinbase is saying if Coinbase were to suffer a breach of its online storage, then their insurance policy would pay out to cover any funds lost. But only 2% of the funds are actually online. And when it comes to cash balances, good news for everyone in the US. Because any cash kept on Coinbase, you are covered up to $250,000. So let's now log into the back end. So this is what Coinbase looks like once you've logged in. You have your portfolio there at the top. Tabs across the top. This will show you your portfolio and any money that you have in the various assets will be shown here. The prices tab will show you whether the market's been up or down for the day. And as mentioned, Coinbase supports 29 different assets. So pretty much all of the most popular coins and tokens you can buy from Coinbase. Obviously, you've got your account information on the right-hand side. And I also want to show you something very cool. So in this Earn Rewards tab, where it says you can get $120, I'm going to show you how this works. So just by watching videos on different tokens and coins, you can get paid instantly in that token. For example, if you watch this 2-minute video on what is Maker, they'll give you $2 worth of Maker. If you watch this 2-minute videos on what is CeeLo, you'll get $2 worth of CeeLo. So think about it, that's $1 per minute, which means you're getting paid $60 an hour just to watch these videos. And you can build yourself a whole portfolio of all these different cryptos, Compound, EOS, just for watching their intro videos. So why would the company do this? Well, basically, one of the biggest struggles for these coins is just getting people to know about them, because there's 6,000 different cryptocurrencies. So for example, instead of spending money on advertising, which is really expensive, these companies go to Coinbase and say, if you can get people to watch our videos on what is EOS and what is delegated proof of stake, we will pay money for people to watch these. So here is a really fast and easy way to build up a little crypto portfolio. And also you benefit for getting more educated on cryptocurrencies. So this would be a great thing to do today. You can spend about 30 minutes just watching what these intro videos are and what makes them different, and Coinbase will instantly put this cryptocurrency into your portfolio. How cool is that? And then there's only really 3 things to do. You can send crypto assets to people, you can receive it, or you can buy and sell. So if you wanted to send some Bitcoin to someone, you just enter the amount, enter their wallet address, and click continue. It's seriously that simple. If you need to send some Bitcoin into this wallet, this is your wallet address here, which you can just copy or you can scan on your phone. It really is that simple. and let's buy some Bitcoin so I can show you just how simple this is to use. So this is the trade tab. We're buying some Bitcoin. Let's just take a look at the fees actually. So I'll go through the fees with you now. So if I only want to buy £10 worth, which is obviously very, very small, if you preview it, it will tell you the fees. So the Coinbase fee on this one is £1. So I think that's their minimum fee. So in general, you wouldn't buy just £10 worth. You're going to buy a larger amount. But for this amount, you can see the fees here are going to be £1. If I was going to buy £100 worth and we preview, the fee is going to be £3.84. So that's almost 4%. And if we're going to buy £1,000 worth and we preview, again, it's about £40. So you're looking at about a 4% fee, but this is for people in the UK. So obviously there's 100 different countries, so just check your fees before buying. But Coinbase does have quite high fees, just bear that in mind. So let me buy just £10 worth. So if I wanted to buy £10 worth of Bitcoin, I have linked in my card. So I'll preview this buy. My fee is going to be £1. Buy now. Authenticating with the bank, continue. And that's it, your purchase was successful. And it'll be available in your wallet instantly. So that is one of the big pluses of Coinbase. It makes it super, super simple. So let me show you how to get some free Bitcoin if you wanted to try out the company. So it's the Refer the Friend program. And it says, so if you open an account today and if you buy or sell $100 worth of crypto, you'll receive $10 worth of free Bitcoin. So all you have to do is you get given this referral link at the bottom, and I'll put this in the description below this video. And if you use that link, we both get $10 of free Bitcoin. And when you have an account, you'll be able to do the same for any recommendations that you make. So let's bring it all together and see how Coinbase did. So you can see not perfect, but pretty good. So when it comes to the range of cryptos, they do offer the top 30, well 29, which is where the vast majority of the money is anyway. So I'd say that's a good range of cryptos. Safe and secure. It is definitely one of the safest and securest places to buy cryptocurrency. It gets marked down on its fees. So this is the only thing really that you could complain about with Coinbase, is that the fees are quite high. I think mine was about 4%. Now places like eToro, you can buy crypto, well Bitcoin, for about 2%, but then you get other trade-offs. So it may not necessarily be as safe and secure. So you have to decide which one is a higher priority for you. The user experience, as you saw, is super, super simple. You will register an account. You will have to verify you as a person, a KYC, know your customer. But once you've done that, the user experience is as good as it can be. Customer service is great. Anything that I've queried or sent has come back pretty quick. And as you can see, they've got a great Refer a Friend program where you both get free Bitcoin for every referral. So that's great. So there you are, guys. That was my honest review of Coinbase. If you're looking for a safe and secure place to buy crypto assets that's also really easy to use, then Coinbase does make a really good choice. Just know that you will pay higher amount of fees for that privilege. As mentioned, if you want to try out Coinbase, then you can get some free Bitcoin, and I'll drop the link below this video on how to do that. If you did find anything in this video useful, then be sure to click that like button and turn that little sucker blue. It would be much appreciated, and every like does help. If you haven't yet subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button and join us. I do have some great videos coming up that you don't want to miss. And tell me, what do you think about Coinbase? If you've got any questions, any comments, drop them below this video now. Okay, cheers guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and it's bye for now.